Hello everyone. Today, I'll guide you through replacing the battery in your Bosch BSK3003 handheld vacuum cleaner. Let's get started. First, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the cover. Remove the main unit. Then remove the old battery and replace it with the Sino CS-BHK300VX battery. Put back the main unit and the cover. And that is, you've successfully replaced the battery in your Bosch BSK3003 handheld vacuum cleaner. Thank you for watching.